So one of the things that you can do in Adobe Media Encoder is set the frame rate settings as well in order to make the video look smooth or a bit choppy as needed. So for that, I'm going to go around over here onto S.264, and once you do that, here you can see that this is the export setting right here. So you can see that the frame rate is 29.97. So if I were to actually go around onto the source and then press the play button, you can see that this is how the video is looking. So if I were to go to output, then you can see the output right here as well. So this is the output right here. It's not processed, so you cannot actually go ahead and then play this out right here. You simply get a single frame right here. In the source, you get the frame right here. But anyways, let's say for example, here I have 29.97, which is actually a smooth video playback. If you want a bit more choppier video playback, or if you want to save some file space, you can actually go around over here onto the video frame rate setting, uncheck this out right here, and you can choose a lower frame rate like 10, let's say for example. If the source video itself has a less frame rate, then increasing it would not actually improve the quality. So if you want to reduce the frame rate, then you can actually go ahead and do that. But if the source itself has a reduced frame rate, you cannot actually increase and expect a smoother output. However, I'm going to go around over here onto 10 frame rate right here. On the output, let me just go around over here and save it onto my desktop with 10 FPS, let's say for example as name, and click on save. So once I go ahead and do that, I'm simply going to go ahead and press OK, and let me just go ahead and hit the play button, and you can see that it actually goes ahead and then processes out my video with that particular setting. So now once that is done, you'll be able to see it right here. So this is the video output, and as I go around, you can see that the video is a bit choppy right here because we have set this to 10 frames per second right here while choosing the output right here. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the frame rate setting. And the higher the frame rate, the smoother it is, and the lower the frame rate, what happens is that the choppier you see it like this, just like that. Let me just go around over here and reset the status, and then go around over here onto setting. So here you can see that 10 is the lowest right here that you can choose. 24 is standard for films that you need to know. 25 right here is standard for PAL regions, and 30 is standard for NTSC, and 29.97 is actually the perfect standard for NTSC. And similarly, you can see that there's a lot of ranges right here. 59.94 is NTSC, while 50 is PAL as well. And if you want more frame rate for some reason, then you can see that you can actually go up till 300. But like I said, you need the source video to have this have that level of frame rate for your video to look smooth as well. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the frame rate settings inside of Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.